Let's look at this question. 6 friends, Das, Kumar, Lal, Ratan, Vinay, and Yuvraj wanted to play a game of Ludo and decided to draw lots to determine the order in which they play. For this purpose, they took 6 pieces of paper and wrote down a different number from 1 to 6 on each piece of paper and then put them in a bag. Each of them picked a piece of paper from the bag without peeping into the bag one after the other. Okay. So basically, what they're telling us is the selection of order was entirely random. They then saw the numbers that each of them picked and decided the order in which they will play. After they finished the game, they made the following statements. I picked a number, thus made the statement. I picked a number which was greater than the number picked by Lal, and number 4 was already picked before I picked a number. Okay. Kumar, I was the third person to pick a number, and the number 2 was already picked by that time. Okay. Lal said I picked a number after Ratan did, and the number picked by Ratan was lower than mine. Okay. Pay attention. I'm going to write down order-based clues and number-based clues. The number that they ended up with. I picked a number that was greater than the number picked by Lal. So Das has a number greater than that of Lal. This I know. And number 4 was already picked before I picked it. So 4 prior to Das. This much we know. Kumar, I was the third person to pick a number. So if I write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Third to pick a number was Kumar. And as in this is the order number, and this is the dice number picked. I was the third person to pick a number, and number 2 was already picked by that time. So see the number on the dice, I will put this way. 2 was already picked, after which Kumar came in. Okay. Lal, I picked a number after Ratan did. So Lal, Ratan, and then Lal. And the number picked was Ratan was lower than mine. So the number with Lal is greater than the number with Ratan, which also now beautifully translates into number by Das is greater than the number by Lal, which is greater than the number by Ratan. Okay, so I can combine all of this and put it this way, DLR. Okay, next, I picked the, Lal. Ratan was lower than me. Ratan, I picked a number lower than the number picked by Yuvraj. So Ratan's number is lower than that picked by Yuvraj. Ratan is lower than Yuvraj also. Okay. And I picked the number after Das did. So for Das, and after that, Ratan. And I know after Ratan, Lal picked. So I can combine these two. And also say, after Ratan, I need Lal. After Ratan. I picked a number lower than the number picked by Yuvraj. And I picked the number after Das did. Okay. Vinay. Ratan and I picked consecutive numbers. Ratan and I picked consecutive numbers, and neither of us picked the lowest number. Okay. So Ratan and Vinay consecutive, and none of them picked a number which was lowest. Now see, about Ratan, we have lots of information. Ratan cannot be 6. He's lower than 3 people. So if he's lower than 3 people, or number-wise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ratan can't be here, Ratan can't be here, Ratan can't be here. There are 3 people ahead of him. And Ratan and Vinay picked consecutive numbers, and neither of them picked the lowest number. Neither of them picked the lowest number, which means Ratan and Vinay will necessarily be here. And because Dinesh and who is the Dinesh and Das and Lal and Yuvraj are higher, the only person left, Das, Lal, and Yuvraj are higher. The only person left who can get 1 has to be Kumar. So the number that Kumar picked was 1. Number that Kumar picked was 1. 2 was picked ahead of this. Okay. I will see last. I did not pick the highest number. Yuvraj, I did not pick the highest number, nor was I the first to pick a number. Okay. I did not pick the highest number, nor was I the first to pick a number. So Yuvraj can't come here, and 6 also cannot come here. Let me also fill this up. Name. Okay. Okay. Now, Ratan and Vinay pick consecutive numbers. Okay. Numbers wise, Ratan and Vinay are at 2 and 3. So 4, 5, 6 I have to see. 4, 5, 6 I have to see. Within this 4, 5, 6, Yuvraj is not the highest. Yuvraj is definitely not the highest. And Lal is definitely not the highest. Ratan is definitely not the highest. Vinay is definitely not the highest. So the only person who can be highest is Das. So there is Das and 6 somewhere. There is Das and 6 somewhere. This much is known. I picked a number which is greater than the number picked by Lal, which is guaranteed now because Das is at 6. And the number 4 was already picked before I picked a number. So this is number 6. 4 has to come, then Das will come somewhere. Okay, then Ratan, then Lal. Okay, how do I break this? How do I break this? I picked a number which is greater than the number picked by Lal. So Das is greater than Lal. The number 4 was already picked before I picked a number. Okay, and the third person to pick a number, and the number 2 was already picked by that time. So if 2 is getting picked here, 2 is getting picked here somewhere. 2 is getting picked ahead of Kumar. 2 is getting picked ahead of Kumar. This is for order. This is for number based. Yuvraj and Lal. For dice number 6, I know. For dice number 6, I know is Das. For dice number 4 and 5 also, I sort of know. For 4 and 5, I know it is Lal and Yuvraj. Lal and Yuvraj have 4 and 5. Okay. If Lal is 4, it has to be ahead of Das. Yuvraj is 5, or Yuvraj is here, or Lal is here. Both of these are possible so far. Okay. I have to see the order in which they are picking. That is critical right now. Das, Ratan, Lal. Okay. Let's see. Fun thing. Look at Das's placement. 4 has to be picked prior to Das. So let's say 4 came here, Das came here, Ratan came here, Lal came here, Das here, Kumar here, Ratan here, Lal here. Because 4 was picked in the first spot. And then we have this. Now at 4, it would have to be Yuvraj. Sorry. No. Lal is not coming at 4. 4 is the first spot. Then it would have to be Yuvraj. But Yuvraj cannot be the first person to pick, which would mean this distribution, Das, Ratan, Lal, this order. 4 ke baad Das, Ratan, Lal does not make sense or will not be acceptable. Or how do I make it? If I put 4 here, 4 Das, Ratan, Lal. The only way it will break down is Das, Ratan, and Lal. Okay, I am more confident in this distribution now. Pay attention here. Pay attention. See, 4, Das, Ratan, Lal. These 4 have to come. There are 5 spots available. If I put 4 here, Das here, Ratan here, and Lal here, it would mean Lal does not have 4. Lal does not have 4. So Yuvraj will have 4. If Yuvraj has 4, we have a condition that Yuvraj was not the first to pick a number. So Yuvraj would have to come here, which is impossible. We cannot have Yuvraj coming here. So this is gone. This cannot possibly be accurate. This is an unacceptable case. So the other case would be 4 is here, Das is here, and then you have Ratan, sorry, not Ratan, Lal, and then Ratan. Would this be fine? Absolutely. Because see, 4 is here, Das is here, Lal is here. This is 6. Now see, Lal and 4 are separated. Lal and 4 are separated. If Lal and 4 are separated, Lal can't be 4. 4 would have to be Yuvraj now. 4 would have to be Yuvraj now. Additionally, I know prior to 1, the number 2 was picked up. So 2 would have to be here. Now 2 could either go to Ratan or go to Vinay. So it has to go to Vinay because Ratan's position is fixed. If Vinay position is fixed, Ratan's position or Ratan's dice number 3 is also fixed. Now the only number left is Lal, which is 5, which we could have come this way also or other way also. So the order in which they have picked the number is this. The numbers that they have eventually gotten are these. Let's get to individual questions. Who was the first person to pick a number? Vinay was the first person to pick a number. Second, which of the following statements is true? Yuvraj and Kumar picked consecutive numbers. Yuvraj has 4, Kumar has 1. No, this is not true. Das picked a number immediately after Ratan did. Ratan ke baad 10. No, wrong. Lal and Yuvraj picked consecutive numbers. Lal is 5, Yuvraj is 4. Yes, they did pick consecutive numbers. Das picked a number immediately before Kumar. No, Das picked a number immediately after Kumar. So this is also unacceptable. This is also unacceptable. The answer has to be option C. Next, among the following 4 friends, who picked the lowest number? Yuvraj has 4, Das has 6, Lal has 5, Ratan has 3. So among the following 4 friends, the lowest number is with Ratan. What number did Yuvraj pick? Yuvraj picked the number 4, and that is the entirety of this set. It has 2 parallel thoughts, the order in which they're picking and the number that they're picking. You have to take care of both those things simultaneously in order to arrive at a reasonable answer.